Barcelona is a city that effortlessly blends rich history, artistic wonders, stunning architecture, and vibrant street life. If you have a layover or just one day to explore, you're in for a treat. With its incredible sights, flavors, and cultural gems, Barcelona offers plenty to see and do in a short period. Here's how to make the most of a 24-hour layover in the Catalan capital. Before we get started, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. 10. Begin your day with a classic Barcelona breakfast. Start your day early to maximize your 24-hour adventure. Begin at a charming local cafe for a traditional Spanish breakfast. Barcelona's morning ritual often includes pan con tomate, a humble yet delicious dish of toasted bread rubbed with fresh tomatoes, garlic, and drizzled with high-quality extra virgin olive oil. This simple Catalan favorite will kickstart your day and give you a taste of local life. Paired with a café con leche, a frothy, milky coffee that's a staple in Barcelona's cafe culture. If you have a sweet tooth, you can also opt for churros con chocolate, crispy dough sticks served with a cup of thick, velvety hot chocolate. While this is usually a treat reserved for an afternoon snack, enjoying churros for breakfast will immerse you fully in the Spanish way of life. 9. Visit the Sagrada Familia, a Gaudi masterpiece. After your breakfast, head straight to La Sagrada Familia, one of the world's most remarkable architectural wonders. Designed by the legendary Antoni Gaudi, this basilica has been under construction for over 140 years, yet its grandeur remains unmatched. You can easily spend 1 to 2 hours here, marveling at the intricate details of its Nativity and Passion facades, both of which depict the life of Christ in spectacular, highly detailed stone carvings. Inside, Gaudi's design unfolds like a natural cathedral, with towering columns resembling tree trunks that support a webbed canopy. The stained glass windows cast vibrant colors across the interior, creating an atmosphere of serenity. While you're there, consider purchasing a skip-the-line ticket in advance to avoid long queues. Don't forget to take a moment to reflect on the basilica's construction, which is set to be completed by 2026, marking the centenary of Gaudi's death. The ongoing work adds an interesting layer to your visit. 8. Stroll through the Gothic Quarter. From the Sagrada Familia, take a short ride to the Gothic Quarter or Barri Gòtic. This historic neighborhood is the very heart of medieval Barcelona, filled with narrow, winding streets that open into stunning hidden squares. The district is packed with centuries-old buildings, tiny boutiques, and cozy cafes, all of which create a magical atmosphere. Start your exploration at the Pla del Rei, where you can visit the Royal Palace and Palau Real Major. The area is steeped in history as it was once the residence of the kings of Aragon. Walk further and discover Plaza Sant Jaume, the political center of Barcelona, home to the City Hall and the Catalan government headquarters. The Barcelona Cathedral is also nearby, an impressive Gothic structure where you can admire its stunning spires and peaceful cloisters. Don't rush. Take your time to get lost in the labyrinth of narrow alleys and secret passageways, as this is the best way to uncover the hidden gems of the Gothic Quarter. 7. Stroll down La Rambla. After exploring the Gothic Quarter, take a short walk to La Rambla, one of Barcelona's most famous streets. This bustling, tree-lined avenue is the perfect spot to witness the energy of the city. It's lined with caves, shops, and street performers, and it leads you toward Plaza de Catalunya, a major city square. As you walk down La Rambla, be sure to stop by the Mercat de Sant Josep de la Boqueria, Barcelona's most famous market. Located just off La Rambla, this market is a food lover's paradise. It's filled with stalls selling everything from fresh produce to cured meats and cheeses. Grab a quick snack, perhaps some jamon iberico or freshly squeezed juice, to keep you energized as you continue your day of sightseeing. 6. Lunch in El Born. Now that you've explored the city center, head towards the El Born district for lunch. This neighborhood is filled with charming cobblestone streets, offering a slightly quieter alternative to La Rambla. It's also a hub for fantastic food. Find a local tapas bar and indulge in a feast of small plates that showcase the flavors of Catalonia. Order dishes like patatas bravas, crispy fried potatoes with a spicy tomato sauce, calamars a la romana, fried squid, and escalivada, a smoky roasted vegetable dish. Pair your meal with a refreshing glass of sangria or vermouth, both of which are local favorites in Barcelona. If you have time, you can explore the nearby Picasso Museum, which houses one of the largest collections of works by the famous Spanish painter, focusing on his early years and artistic development. 5. Discover art at the Picasso Museum or Joan Miró Foundation. If you're an art enthusiast, Barcelona is a treasure trove of artistic masterpieces. After lunch, consider heading to one of the city's top museums. The The Picasso Museum is one of the best places to dive deep into the life of one of Spain's most iconic artists. It showcases over 4,000 works of art, including many of Picasso's early sketches and paintings, offering a comprehensive look at his creative evolution. Dedicated to the colorful surrealist work of Joan Miró, this museum features a collection of paintings, sculptures, and ceramics that celebrate Miró's innovative approach to modern art. The foundation is located in a peaceful garden setting, making it the perfect spot for art lovers looking for some tranquility. 4. Spend the afternoon at Park Güell. Next, head to Park Güell, a sprawling public park designed by Antoni Gaudí. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is one of Gaudí's most whimsical creations. The park is filled with colorful ceramic mosaics, whimsical structures, and lush gardens that seem to blend into the natural surroundings. The most famous feature of the park is the Serpentine Bench, which curves around the main terrace and offers breathtaking views of the city below. Spend some time strolling through the park's pathways, enjoying its artistic elements and lush vegetation. The main terrace, with its panoramic views of the city, is an excellent spot to relax and take in the beauty of Barcelona. 3. Unwind at Barcelona Beach. After a busy day of sightseeing, head to Barcelona Beach to unwind and relax by the sea. This popular beach, located near the old fishing district of Barcelona, is a great place to relax and take in the Mediterranean vibes. Whether you want to swim, sunbathe, or just walk along the promenade, it's the perfect place to slow down and enjoy the beauty of the sea. You could also visit one of the beachside restaurants where you can enjoy fresh seafood and classic Catalan dishes like paella and fibua, a noodle-based version of paella. With the Mediterranean breeze and views of the Mediterranean, this is the ideal place to recharge. 2. Sunset from Montjuïc Hill. As evening approaches, take the cable car or funicular up to Montjuïc Hill, one of the highest points in Barcelona. From here, you'll be treated to panoramic views of the entire city, stretching from the old town to the sea. The best time to visit is just before sunset, as the golden light bathes the city in a magical glow. At the top of Montjuïc Hill, you can explore the Montjuïc Castle, a historic fortress with a rich military history. The views from the castle's ramparts are stunning, offering an unbeatable vantage point for photos of the city. 1. End your day with dinner and nightlife in El Born or El Raval. To conclude your 24-hour adventure, head to El Born or El Raval for a memorable dinner. Both neighborhoods are known for their vibrant culinary scenes, with numerous restaurants offering traditional Catalan dishes and modern takes on Mediterranean flavors. After dinner, explore Barcelona's nightlife. Both El Born and El Raval are filled with lively bars and clubs, offering everything from laid-back cocktails to dance floors. Whether you're looking for a quiet drink in a cozy bar or an all-night party, Barcelona's nightlife will ensure you end your 24-hour layover on a high note. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go. Thanks for watching.